floodwater. The Pattons said they were nervous the wall wasn't going to hold up because water levels rose about 8 inches more last week.
KRK 4's Rochelle Turner speaking with them again as they prepare now for cleanup. Rochelle?
That's right, Bob and Ashley. Good evening to you. This is what their home looked like before. Well, now it looks like this, a completely different scene. The Pattons said they're happy to see their yard again after weeks of historic flooding. From flooded streets,
it was about 40 inches deep,
to dry land and cars.
That's a really good feeling.
Finally, driving through Patton Road in Wooster.
It was a good feeling this morning.
It's a feeling Todd Patton has waited on for weeks.
Well, it's just a relief that, the water's, it's somewhat back to normal.
Over 6 feet of floodwater surrounded his home on Patton Drive last Sunday.
We got pretty nervous at times because we had gone what we felt was as high with the sandbags as we could go, and we just weren't getting any relief.
The only things keeping the water out, this wall and thousands of sandbags.
I never even imagined anything. If I had, I wouldn't have built up here where I did.
Todd shared this Facebook video of him diving into his flooded pool last week.
It got about 5 or 6 inches over that handrail.
Now it's back to normal, and the water is green. Family members now using pressure washers to remove debris that filled the barn and yard.
There was a lot of people that weren't as fortunate as we were, that didn't have the equipment and the resources to, to do this.
And moving lots of sandbags.
You got plenty of these things.
It's a cleanup process that will take some time. But Todd says he's just glad the worst is finally over.
I could go a lifetime without seeing this again.
Now, Todd says he's grateful for everyone that stepped in and helped out last week. He says without their help, their home would have been ruined. Back to you.